I want us now to look to the next family that we are having. Now, the second family that we are having is we are having our family of alkene, right? And look at me, it's alkene, right? So basically now, the alkenes, right? Remember the name alkenes, it is the homologous series, right? It is the homologous series, right? And now the alkenes, we are saying now, the functional group, right? The functional group now of our alkenes, it's going to be given by what? It is going to be given by the double bonds, which means the C that we are having, they are going to be double bonded to it, right? So which means this is going to be the determining factor of our functional bonds, right? And where is the double? The double is here, right? Between the C's, right? So it consists of what? It consists of our double bonds. Let's get a nicer color there. So the C consists of our double bonds, right? Double, right? So which means it consists of our double bonds firstly, which means, and now if you can see at this one now, still you are still having the totality of what? You are still having the totality of four thingings connected or bonded to your carbons, right? Or now basically that is going to be your what? Your alkene. One thing that you can also take note of our alkene is that basically now our alkene, basically it consists of our general, our general formula, right? The general formula of what now? Now the general formula of these, which is going to be what? Which is going to be you CN and H 2N, which means now here, similarly, just like your alkene consists of what? It bonds with hydrogen, right? Now, only the alkenes are going to be only a bond of what? Of carbons and also hydrogen, nothing much, nothing less, right? So that is basically going to be our alkenes, right? And now our alkenes also, what is mostly importantly about them is that they consist of your suffix, right? The suffix of what? Of E, right? So basically that is going to be your suffix for what? For your basically for your alkenes, right? So now these are going to be your alkenes. And now if I can just get you your example, one example of this. Now, one thing that, let's say I get you now that you are having your ethane, right? Now, your ethene already from the suffix, from this particular suffix, this one, as you can also identify it here. Now, how is this going to be bonded? Let's see. This is going to be same as C, right? C, already we know that the eth means 2C, right? Sorry about that. Now, so which means now from here, this is going to be how many bonds? This is going to be a double bond. Then this is going to be the one that is bonded with an H, the one that is bonded with an H. Similarly here, it's your H bonds. And similarly here, it's your H bonds, right? So basically, this is going to be the second family of ours, which is the family of ethanes, right? Now, so that is going to be the significance of ethane now that we are going to be discussing about. Now, let's move swiftly along to now the third family, right?